Hello Mzansi, it's your gossip girl. On this episode of Uthando Nes'thembu, Seleko requested Mpumelelo to come back home because he is moving in the fast lane in Johannesburg. So Seleko decided to give Mpumelelo his parents' house. And he must take both of his baby mamas and stay with them in Umzumbe village. So one of the baby mamas will live in his house and the other will stay with Mayeni because two wives living in one house is just a recipe for disaster. So another condition to giving Mpumelelo this house, Seleko said that he will not help him financially to renovate his parents' house. He must do it. He is a man now. So Musa and Mpumelelo together with Mayeni had a meeting, and Mpumelelo dropped a bomb saying that he wants his first wife to be a virgin. Imagine. Mpumelelo wants his first wife to be a virgin after having baby mamas, and he is justifying this by saying that it is a Zulu culture. So by Zulu culture, when you get married, it must be a virgin, no matter even if you have a baby mama and you broke that baby mama virginity. So he's saying that it is Zulu culture. And Umayin was saying that this is history repeating itself all over again. So Umayeni was the one of the first girlfriends to Seleko before Seleko got married to Umamkulu Umaqele. Yes, I believe she's Maqele. So Mayeni did not get married first. Seleko went ahead and got married to Umaqele before Mayeni, but Seleko had kids with Mayeni first and decided not to get married to her. So this is history all over again.